In this video, I'm going to show you how to get all weather in Grow a Garden in Roblox. And what I mean by this is I'm going to let you know how to actually get all the different types of weather inside the game for the different crops and mutations you can get with different weather styles. Now, first of all, weather is completely random. You can't spawn it, you can't pretty much do anything. It's just gonna happen randomly on all the servers at once. So it doesn't matter if you server hop. So if, for example, leave a server, create a private one, and then go in a different one and a different one again. So this doesn't matter because weather, when it does happen, it happens across all the servers at once, not only on the one you are currently on. So this is very important to know. And then in total, there's 4 different types of weather, okay? So the first one is just the normal weather, which is right now on my server. As you can see, it is a normal weather, nothing is going on really. And then once you see an icon down here bottom right, you can have 3 other different types of weather other than the basic one, normal weather, which is right now, and it's pretty sunny and clear, as you can see. Now the other 3 are basically rain, thunderstorm, and frost. So the rain, you're gonna see an icon down here. It's gonna have like drops of rain, and then the thunderstorm, it's gonna have like a cloud with a lightning bolt from it, and it's gonna be down here at the bottom right as well. And then you're gonna have the frost, which you're gonna see a snowflake down here at the bottom right as well, and you can hover over them when they happen and you'll see what boost they will give you. Now, in case you want to know, rain will basically increase growth speed and has a 50% chance to make the fruit wet. Now, the mutation applies even if the fruit just entered rain, okay? So this is very important. Now, thunderstorm will increase growth speed by 50% yet again, and it will have a 50% chance to make the fruit wet. Now, also, the difference over here is that if a fruit is hit by lightning, the fruit will also become shocked, okay? So this is the difference between thunderstorm and rain. Basically, the thunderstorm can make fruits shocked. And by the way, if you want fruits to be shocked, if you want to have a higher percentage chance, you can go to the gear shop, buy a lightning rod, place it down wherever you want it to happen, and lightning will have a significantly higher chance of actually striking at that location. And then the third one, other than normal weather, is frost. Now, frost will increase growth speed and have a higher chance to make the fruit frozen or chilled. Now, this weather also triggers a special animation where you'll basically be visibly shivering, which is going to be indicating the cold. So you'll know when this is going to happen. Now, that's pretty much it. Those are all the weathers and how to get them and what they do. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.